Very nice. I really like how it displays everything super cleanly. And this is probably great for a man cave, great for a business setting, great for somewhere where you just want big numbers like a senior care home.
Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this digital wall clock. As we open it up, we've got the clock right here. You've also got the user manual right here. Opening up the other side of the box, we get this remote control, we get the power cable, and then we get these two, looks like installation screw type things. You simply just tape this up to the wall, make sure that it's level with a level. You basically want to go ahead and press the spiky part into the wall. You just need a hammer, go ahead and push that in. And then you've got this little clip kind of sticking out of the wall. And then you're going to want to go ahead and align that with these two part of the clock. Checking out this remote here, battery already installed. You just want to go ahead and pull that to activate the battery. You've got brightness controls on here. You've got different color modes. It's this nice silver, shiny kind of color cable, which allows it to blend in with pretty much any type of wall. On the back, you've got buttons for light, you've got buttons for set, and then you've got an alarm button right here. Open it up and you can put that battery in. That's just for the memory, so in case the power goes out, it keeps all the settings on the clock. So it's plugged in now. As you can see, that is how it looks. Super high resolution. As you can see, you can really adjust that. I recommend like a higher brightness during the day when it's sunny, be able to see it more easily. So check out the bottom there. You've got a very nice purple glow, and you can of course adjust that. Say I want to get blue, you can switch that. Say I want to get orange, you can do that, and then you can adjust the brightness. So that's maximum, that's minimum. You can slowly increase the glow, so that just adds a very nice glow effect. And set the month. We are currently in May. Thursday, it automatically recognizes that it's a Thursday just based on the calendar month, day, and year that I put in there. And 77 degrees. Now check that out. It could cycle between different colored lights. As you can see, you got yellow. Now it's going to turn into green. But it's got this nice gradient of colors here. And it really can just spice up your room. Turn out the lights so you can see it better. Just take a look at that kind of glow that it adds wherever you place it. I'm going to go ahead and set the alarm now. The alarm should be going off pretty soon. You can press any button to turn off the alarm. Again, you can also adjust all these settings using these buttons on the back here, but the remote makes it very easy to do it from wherever you are in the room. Overall, I highly recommend this wall clock. This is great for if you want big numbers, if you want a little bit of vibrance, a little bit of aesthetics for your room. Thanks for watching.